Okay, so today's lesson is 1.4, Properties of Numbers, Part 1. Okay, so we have commutative property. Commute. I want you to think of commute. You can add numbers in any order. You can multiply any numbers in order. So in algebra, you would see it as a plus b and b plus a. Or a times b is equal to b times a. In numbers, it would be 7 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus 7. Or 7 times 3 is equal to 3 times 7. Now, I kind of remember it as being home to school is equal to school to home. So you're commuting. You're going from home to school, and then you commute from school to home. Here's your reasoning why. Okay? If you look at it, the numbers are reversed. Okay, so if you look at the numbers are reversed. 7 plus 3, 3 plus 7. They are reversed. Or you can say backwards. Associative property. Associate. Think about who you are playing with or talking to. When you add or multiply numbers, you can group them in any combination. So associate is grouping them. So if you'll notice, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c, but the parentheses have moved. Okay, here b plus c is in parentheses and a plus b is in parentheses. Looking here, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, but the parentheses have moved. So in associative property, you'll notice the numbers are in the same order, but parentheses moved. Okay, identity. I always think of identity as being mirrors. So these right here are your mirrors. Because when you look in a mirror, what do you see? You usually see yourself. So A looks in a mirror and it sees A, and X looks in a mirror and it sees X. So 7 plus 0 is equal to 7, so 7 sees itself. And 4 times 1 sees itself, so it equals 4. So for your reasoning why is always get the same number. So let's look at examples here. Number 1 through 5. So what you have to tell me what property represents and why. Okay? So look at 5 times 3 equals 3 times 5. So this is your commutative property because the numbers are reversed. Okay? Look at this, number 2. 8 times 1 is equals 8. Well, if you look at up at the top, it says it is the identity property. So put I for identity. And because they're mirrored, the number is mirrored. Okay? Let's look here. 4 plus 8 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 8 plus 2. Do you notice that they're in the same order, but what happened? The parentheses have moved. So this has to be associative property. So that is the numbers are in the same order, but parentheses moved. Okay, try 4 and 5 on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and push play. So this 4, a plus b is equal to b plus a, you should have said that this is commutative because the numbers are reversed. And look at 5. Hopefully you looked at your chart and it said that this would have been an identity because the number is mirrored. Right, go ahead and try 6 through 10 on your own, and when you are ready, go ahead and push play. So number 6 is associative property, and that's because number is the same order, but parentheses moved. Number 7 is commutative property because numbers are reversed. Number 8 is associative property because number is in the same order, but parentheses moved. Number 9 is commutative property because numbers or numbers are reversed. And the last one is identity because the number is mirrored.